is on me, gon' back it up. No matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And I'm excited today because I'm about to show you guys my pivot point strategy as promised, and I won't let you down because I'm your Forex plug. I'm about to head to my office. You're probably like, why you outside? This is my office up here on the 26th floor, all right? That is the headquarters of Trend Trading Academy, or office space. Hey, headquarters sounded a little bit better, all right? So I'm about to unpack, get everything set up, and walk you through the strategy, all right? So stay tuned. Hey, my mission is to help you guys become a profitable trader. That is my mission, my focus from day one, and I will continue to give you guys everything I got. So consider subscribing. Let's make this money. Let's get it. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to understand that I am not on Telegram, all right? If you see any groups that's acting like me, all right, that's not me. That's not my Telegram account. Report it. It's one going around trying to get people to sign up for $150 for mentorship. That is a scam. That is a lie. I'm not accepting no Bitcoin transactions. None of that. All right. Report those accounts on Instagram that's trying to act like me. All right. You can call your boy up if you want to talk to me. All those other people, those are scammers, all right? Especially that one on Telegram with about 30,000 subscribers. They're probably like paid for subscribers. Get up out of that group. If you send them money, they're going to take your money, all right? It's not me. All right, team. So here we are on the charts. And without further ado, let's dive in. So pivot points are useful basically to scalpers and day traders. I'm not saying that swing traders can't use it or, it's not effective for them, but mostly for scalpers and day traders so we can take advantage of the small price movements, because we're looking to get in and get out, in a few hours, 4 or 5 hours. We're not really trying to hold it for the whole day or the next day. So these pivot points with a few other confirmations that I'm gonna show you in a moment is very, very powerful. So here I'm about to show you the pivot points on the chart. So the more times a currency pair touches a pivot level, then reverses, the stronger the level gets. All right, just understand that. Think about that. Review that. Back test it, if you will. And if the price is nearing the upper resistance level, then you could sell the pair and place a stop loss above the resistance level. All right. Let me slow down for you. If the price is nearing a support level, you can buy. All right, you could potentially buy the currency and put your stop just below the level, the support level. So it can go both ways. All right, that's what the SR, S2, R1, R2, those are support and resistance levels where price is pivoting at. That's helping you understand buy low and sell high in a sense. And basically what you will need is the 50 SMA right here. I want you guys to go into indicators and I want you to type in simple, SIMPLE, moving averages, okay? By Stocks Inbox. Shout out to Stocks Inbox if you're watching my videos. All right, there you go. Start favorite is in there, right? And then you will need pivot points. I want you to go in Trading View, not MT4, in Trading View and type in PIVOT, pivot points. Standard. There it is. And add that to your chart. Boom. That's all you're going to need to be profitable with the strategy. And of course, back testing it once you know the rules. Let's get it. All right, team. So look at here on the chart. GBP USD 1 hour price has shot up. Okay. I'm trying my best to slow down and explain to you the information you need to pull this buy off in 10 minutes. Okay. So look, this is a clear buy. We see it now. I'm trying to help you guys see it before it happened. So I'm going to replay this and tell you the rules, and you can apply this rule to any other currency that you like. All right, any other currency. But I'm going to show you the exact rules to follow to prepare for these type of moves to happen. all right, to put yourselves in position. So we're going to replay what happened following the rules and then I want you to back test it on your own. Rule number 1, find your support and resistance levels. Would you agree that this would be a support level up in here? How price is respecting that level. It's basically hitting it as a floor. That's basic Forex understanding. All right. Price is respecting that level. Would you agree that it broke through that level and now it's resistance to this level now? The same level that was support has now become resistance. Have you heard that before? That's the basic foundation of what you guys need to learn first before anything. Rule number 2, look and see where is your 50 moving average. If price is below it, we're looking to sell because we will be in the seller's market. If price goes above it, we're looking to buy in a buyer's market. And the third and final thing and rule you need is the pivot point indicator itself, right? So put that on the chart. And here we go. So you can see basically where I marked up the resistance level here, the pivot point is already there. So that's a beautiful confirmation right there in itself. So I keep this one here. It's basically at the same level. This is good. This is really good. So I delete that for you. Now let's see how this all played out, how we could get ready. So basically, if price is breaking above this 50 moving average, breaking through this pivot, that's game time. If you are enjoying the video, if I'm lacing you up, please subscribe. If you haven't already and you just now stopping by because the video caught your attention because you want to trade pivot points, subscribe to the channel, because this is not the last time you're going to be getting powerful information to help you become profitable in the Forex market. So like this video, subscribe, and share it with a homie or two. Let's get it. Remember, we both know that price shot up and went for a buy, but in real time you wouldn't have known that. So these rules are very important. So when it broke the 50 right here and retested, that was a clear sell. All right, that was a clear sell because it's rejecting at this pivot point right here. Okay, it's rejecting here. So that was a clear sell. On the hour chart, it looks small right here, but how many pips was that if you caught it on the pullback of this 50 moving average for a sale? 31 pips. Easy money. That's beautiful for scalpers and day traders. The only way that I would have comfortably caught the buy is if it broke this pivot point level, this resistant level where the pivot point is. It's a beautiful confirmation. Plus, if it break that level, if it break that pivot point, we would be in the buyer's market because it would be clearly above the 50 moving average at that point if price broke above here, right? So you can choose to take it as a breakout if you want to. Or if you're a pullback trader, well, then you would just let it go. And you know that this level will have to be your pullback entry. See, it's hard to know your entries when you don't have a good trade setup. If you have a high quality trade setup, then the entries become easier and easier, right? Breakout traders would love to take that because you will be riding the momentum of the 50 moving average. Plus it's breaking, it broke. You will be taking the next candle. You'll be taking the opening of this candle here. Let me mark it up for you. You would be taking the opening of this candle because it broke and closed above the pivot. It's already above the 50. You will be taking that candle on up for your, your pips, 30, 20, 30 something pips. Now, if you're looking for a retest, well, that's the impulse move. Let that happen. Now, it would need to come back. If it does not come back to your entry level, well, you will have to just let it go, because if you're a retest trader, you have to follow your rules. And you don't want to be getting in high and then have to take all of that drawdown as it comes back to your entry. So you got to just wait for it. All right. And we will be entering right around that 50 where the P is, where the pivot point is. This is pretty much where you will be entering that on this pullback, looking for it to shoot back up to the upside. All right. And that's basically how my strategy with the pivot point is. I'm basically marking up my support and resistance levels, which every trader should be doing. There's no secret. Every trader needs to be doing that. That's the basics, right? And then I look and see where is the market at on my 50 moving average. You know, where's price according to the 50 moving average? Is it above it for a buyer's market? Is it below it for a seller's market? And then go ahead and throw on the pivot points and see if price is breaking it or if it's rejecting it. It broke it for the breakout traders and pulled back at that same level for retest traders to get in. And your entry should be right at that pivot point for 40, 39, 40 pips. This is how you could have been ready. All right, I don't care what anybody say. That's hindsight trading. Yes, it is hindsight trading because I'm showing you, you know what I mean? I'm replaying the market, but the rules remain. The fact that I'm giving you rules will allow you to prepare for this trade. And so there you go. Replay it a little bit more, and nice move here. All right, team, so that's how we getting this money. I know some of you guys are going to comment below saying what is the best time frame to trade or using these pivot point strategy. Click that video right over there, because I believe that video combined with this video is going to show you how to put together the best time frames to trade with the pivot point. So check that video out. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.